Hey, thanks for stopping by. Today we'll be continuing driving east on Main Street of America, US 40 in Colorado. But for our first time visitors, this video is part of my 9-day trip out west to Utah and Colorado, so be sure to check out some of the other videos from this trip, which does include thousands of miles of dashcam footage just like this one, and videos of my visits to all 5 amazing national parks in Utah. Well, right now we are starting the morning of our 8th day of this trip, driving east in Craig, Colorado. In the rest of this video, we will drive US 40 into the beautiful sunrise through the scenery along the Yampa River as it in US 40 finds its way to beautiful Steamboat Springs. Before you go, please make sure to leave a comment on what you thought about this video, or if you have any questions or recommendations on places I should visit. I love getting recommendations, ideas, or any kind of feedback from you all, so please keep them coming. So for now, while you're hopefully leaving that comment and or hitting that like and subscribe button if you think I've earned it, I'm going to continue driving east on beautiful US 40 in colorful Colorado towards Steamboat Springs. Well, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. In the next video from this trip, we will continue our way east on US 40 towards Rocky Mountain National Park, so make sure you subscribe so you can join me on that adventure. But for now, thanks again for watching, and until our paths meet again, stay adventurous.